Greetings. Welcome to C News. I am Srinidhi, your anchor for today, bringing you the latest updates from the third week of July at Christ Team to be University, Bangalore Yashwantpur campus. Presenting the top stories of the week. First, the headlines. School of Psychological Sciences inaugurates ICAM and celebrates RCI approval. Center of Social Action hosts Handful of Food donation drive at Bangalore Yashwantpur campus. Center for Social Action inaugurates 2025-26 term at Yashwantpur campus with addresses by Dr. Cyril John and dignitaries. Center for Academic and Professional Support hosts Induction 2025-26 for new student members. Hirayat, the Visual Media Club, hosts interactive workshop on photography and color grading with Pihu Gupta. Department of Mathematics inaugurates Abhi Saharan Association and clubs for the academic year 2025-26. On 14th July 2025, the School of Psychological Sciences inaugurated its Student Association ICAM at the main auditorium alongside announcing its official Rehabilitation Council of India accreditation for specialized psychology courses. With the theme Evidence-Based, Mind-Focused, the event included thought-provoking speeches, cultural performances, and the launch of Connect, the department's student magazine. From July 14th to 15th, 2025, CSA at Christ Deemed to be University, Yashwantpur campus organized a 2-day donation campaign called Handful of Food. The stalls invited students and faculty from various departments to donate raw materials such as rice, dal, oil, and nuts. This initiative, driven by compassion, aimed to convert small contributions into meals that benefit underprivileged communities. CSA's continual mission is to foster service, learning, empathy, and civic responsibility among the member of Christ community. On July 15th, 2025, the CSA launched its programs for the 2025-26 academic year at the KEC Auditorium, Christ Deemed to be University, Bangalore Yashwantpur campus. The event featured a speech by Dr. Cyril John, director of CSA, who emphasized the importance of community initiatives led by young people. He discussed the nationwide influence of the Center for Social Actions projects and urged students to make meaningful contributions to society by cultivating empathy, civic duty, and ongoing social change. On July 15th, 2025, the Center for Academic and Professional Support, CAPS, at Christ Deemed to be University, Yashwantpur campus conducted its annual induction for the academic year 2025-26. The session familiarized students with essential productivity tools, the roles and responsibilities of team leaders, and the supportive framework provided by CAPS. Faculty coordinators spoke to the audience, emphasizing CAPS' dedication to skill development, academic improvement, and peer-led learning within the campus community. On July 17th, 2025, Hirayat, the Visual Media Club of Department of Media Studies, organized a workshop featuring acclaimed photographer Pihu Gupta. Renowned for her lively concert and documentary photography, she instructed students on the nuances of capturing images in fast-paced settings and creatively applying color grading during post-production. The session merged technical expertise with artistic perspectives, encouraging attendees to explore variations in tone, lighting, and narrative through their visuals. On July 18th, 2025, the Department of Mathematics launched Abhi Saharan, its official association, along with related clubs at Seminar Hall 1. The event included speeches from the chief guest, Mr. Sanjeet Mohanty, the data science delivery lead at Math Company, as well as other esteemed guests such as Dr. Subramani R. and Dr. Father Benny Thomas. The ceremony showcased cultural performances, reflections from the student, and the introduction of the annual calendar, all celebrating the department's academic ethos and dedication to collaborative learning. Let's take a look at the headlines again. School of Psychological Sciences inaugurates ICAM and celebrates RCI approval. Center of Social Action hosts Handful of Food donation drive at Bangalore Yashwantpur campus. Center for Social Action inaugurates 2025-26 term at Yashwantpur campus with addresses by Dr. Cyril John and dignitaries. Center for Academic and Professional Support hosts Induction 2025-26 for new student members. Hirayat, the Visual Media Club, hosts interactive workshop on photography and color grading with Pihu Gupta. Department of Mathematics inaugurates Abhi Saharan Association and clubs for the academic year 2025-26. We will continue to bring you the latest updates and stories from our campus in the coming weeks. Thank you for staying with CNews. Stay informed, stay connected, and have a wonderful day.